What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. On today's episode, I want to go over a new product that I got, and it is a Snatch Block. And kind of what's different from this is it's a Snatch Block for synthetic rope or cable. So I had a Snatch Block in the past, but it was only for cable applications, and with most winches being synthetic now, my choice was I think they call them like snatch rings. So I have multiple, I think 2 or 3 of these, and they work pretty good, but I still feel like there's a lot of friction on the line itself. So I have a new product from BUNKER Indust, and we're gonna open the box and I'll show you it. It's not much to it, it's a Snatch Block, but it does have a cool feature that I like, and I wanna point that out to you. And then I'm gonna hook the winch up to the tree and just show you what it does. And really what it does is help increase the pulling strength of your winch. So I'll hook the line up to the tree and just pull it normal, and then I'll put the Snatch Block on and rig it up, and you'll be able to tell the difference. A lot less stress on your winch by using a Snatch Block. BUNKER Indust did send this out to me, and like I said, this would be the first time I use it, but it's something I've been wanting. I'll open the box and show it to you and kind of show you a couple of features that I like about it. Here is the box, and it's pretty simple. It's a Snatch Block, so there's not much to it, but it does come with a nice padded styrofoam. And in the box, this is all steel, and this is a 10,000, I think it's 10,000 ton Snatch Block. So that is a lot of weight, and I like the design of it. You see this design here, you just slide it open, put the rope in, then slide it back in place. And you can use a D-ring, or this is designed for a soft shackle. So I'll be using this soft shackle on it. And also what I like with this is it has a grease fittings. So I like the grease fitting on it, so you're able to keep it just routine maintenance on it. Man, keep this thing greased, and when you use it, that thing will spin like a champ. I have not put grease in it yet, but it will still, just the application I'm doing, it's going to work just fine. I'm not going to stage a recovery or anything, but you'll be able to tell less stress on the winch when I use the Snatch Block. And before that, like I said, these are snatch rings, and I do like these, but I notice a lot more friction on the line when I use these. And these are pretty cool because you just throw a soft shackle through it, and you're able to rig it up on like a tree saver or whatever and use it that way. And that's how I've used them multiple times, and they do work. It's just, I've noticed there's friction on it. So I'm pretty excited about the Snatch Block. And there's other companies that make these, but they are really high dollar. And I was excited that when BUNKER Indust reached out to me to see if I wanted to review this, I was like, absolutely, that is going in my recovery kit. I've been wanting one, but I didn't want to spend the big bucks for one. So let's try it out. All right, so first we're gonna free spool the winch line, and I'm just gonna walk this over to the tree here and just rig it up with a tree saver and straight to the winch there. So I just got my tree saver around the tree and hook my hook like so. Let's turn the winch on. So I think I'm just going to turn the key and get it in neutral and actually do this with it, just do it while the truck's off so that we can actually hear the tension and the stress on the winch itself. So when I put the snatch block in, we should be able to tell the difference in it. So let me get my controller here. Uh-oh. Let me engage it. I've got it engaged now and got tension on the line. I've got the FJ in neutral. So I'm gonna pull on it and then pull on it for a bit, and then we will put the snatch block in place and see if we can tell the difference. Now I'm gonna let some slack out and rig it up with the snatch block at the tree, and then pull the cable back and hook it to the bumper here. And then we'll engage it and see if we can tell the difference in the stress on the winch. Now we are going to set this up with the snatch block and a soft shackle and the tree saver. So we will unhook these, add us a soft shackle, and then we will add that. But first, we will put our synthetic line through. And then we will add that. Let me go ahead and make a little more slack on that. I haven't used these soft shackles a lot, so they're still a bit tight. So you can see that is moving freely. Let me keep my... So I could hook this directly to this, but I don't. I like to use some soft shackles every chance I get. I got another soft shackle out of my kit there. And I'll go ahead and just rig this up and then hook it. I don't want metal on metal. I try to avoid metal on metal every chance I get. Okay, now let me get my controller. So we're rigged up. We're rigged up here. You can see the snatch block. I'm gonna lift this tree saver up a little, just to get the snatch block out of the dirt. But this is a really nice snatch block. I'm pretty excited about this. Let me get my controller. And okay, I've got the spool engaged and I'm about to get some tension on the line. So I can tell a big difference in the stress on the winch. I'm not sure if it picks it up on the microphone, but I can tell a big difference. That is really nice. And watch the function on this. You can see it, like it's a lot better on the synthetic rope than the snatch rings, in my opinion. Especially being able to grease it and keep it maintained, I think is just perfect. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. Hopefully you could tell the difference when I had the snatch block on compared to just hooked to the tree. It's a lot less stress on the winch with the snatch block. And this is a 10-ton snatch block, which is pretty impressive. Plenty for what I'm doing, and probably plenty for what most of you guys are doing. But in my opinion, I think a snatch block should be used in most winch situations, unless it's just like slick tires and you're spinning or something. But if it's going to put a strain on your alternator or battery, I think you should use a snatch block. I've used snatch rings in the past, I've used snatch blocks in the past, and in my opinion, a snatch block is superior. But make sure, like the one from Bunker Indust, make sure if you have a snatch block and you use it with a synthetic line, make sure it's okay to use it with a synthetic line. I would like to thank Bunker Indust for sending me the snatch block out to review. It was perfect time, and I'm going to add it to my recovery bag that I got from those guys. And so, yeah, if you have any questions, comments about anything I'm doing on the channel, the snatch block, the FJ, anything, please hit me up in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And until next time, stay trashy.